So many students make this mistake. So many, but not all. Do you make this error? In case you do, let's fix it today, so you will always sound correct and natural. Hello everyone, I'm Olga. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use so and such correctly in a sentence, so you will never make any mistake. Look at this sentence. Is it correct? It's been so cold weather that we haven't been outside for a week. Have you spotted the mistake? Indeed, it really has to be it's been such cold weather that we haven't been outside for a week. And here is the rule. It has to be such, then adjective, and then noun. So in case you have a noun in your sentence, then you need to use such. It can also be such a, in case this noun is countable. Such a good movie, such an interesting film or book. Or you can say such cold weather or such hot weather. But if you have a noun, then it is such. Now look at this sentence. It's been so cold that we haven't been outside for a week. Is this sentence correct? Yes, it is correct, because you do not have a noun in this sentence. That's why you put so. So just so cold, so hot, so interesting, so lovely, so nice, and so on. Now you tell me, is this sentence correct or not? This is such expensive car, I don't think we can afford it. This is such expensive car. So car is a countable noun. We can count it. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. So such expensive car, it has to be such an expensive car, correct? Because we can count it. And since we have expensive, meaning starting from a vowel, then we have an, right? Because it's not convenient to say expensive. So we need to make it nice. An expensive car. So you will have, this is such an expensive car, I don't think we can afford it. Are we good? The next sentence. I really love that new shop in the town, but it sells so expensive clothes. So expensive clothes. Clothes is a noun, right? So if we have a noun in the sentence and before it goes the adjective, so then we use such. We can just say so expensive and that's it. But if we have clothes, then it is such expensive clothes. So the final sentence is, I really love that new shop in the town, but it sells such expensive clothes. Can you say an expensive clothes? Not really, because clothes is a plural form of noun. So such expensive clothes. No article. Before we continue with our practice, may I please ask for 1 second of your time in order to give a like to this video in case you enjoy it, so that it can spread to more people and more people can also have benefit from this lesson. I will appreciate it. Thank you. What about this sentence? It is such a lovely warm evening tonight. Let's go for a walk. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Definitely you should say such a lovely warm evening, because you have a noun evening, you have 2 adjectives lovely and warm. That's why you use such a, because definitely you can count evenings, so you're supposed to put an article a, and a goes before lovely, so it starts with the consonant, so it's absolutely okay to say a lovely. It's convenient. We don't have to say an. A lovely warm evening. Correct. What about this sentence? It might be a little bit tricky. This movie is so wonderful comedy. You will be laughing so hard. Is it correct? Do we have any mistake? So because you have movie and comedy, if you just say this movie is so wonderful and leave it like that, you don't have any noun, then it is good. That's correct. This movie is so wonderful. You will be laughing or you will enjoy it. Okay. But since you have the comedy, you have the word comedy, you have a noun, then can we say so wonderful comedy? So we definitely need to say such a wonderful comedy. So then we have this movie is such a wonderful comedy. And one more sentence. This city is such beautiful. I would even like to live here. I'm sure you already see that's wrong. So beautiful, such beautiful. This city is so beautiful, right? Because we do not have a noun, so just so beautiful. This city is so beautiful, I would even like to live here. Well done! I hope it is absolutely clear now and you should be able to use so and such, making no errors at all. Neither of them should ever confuse you now. By the way, how do you feel about neither, either, both? In case you're not sure you use them correctly and you feel like sometimes you might make a mistake, I invite you to check out my next video where we cover neither, either and both so that you will never make any mistakes again. Hope to see you there as well. Until now, please take care and see you soon. Bye!